Hello. So today we will test the functionality which is related to the insert and posting of the image. But since we will test, I want to add something. So here I forgot to seek the buffer, and after that I made a mistake. So here you can see it have to be a tuple, not a set. I created it as a set. And okay, so let me save that. Okay, let me start the application. Okay, with Uvicorn. And let's open Postman. So here is the route, and here I have a base 64 of an image. And in my previous video I mentioned data URL. So that is the data URL. What kind of how to say file we are sending. Okay, and the actual base 64 data. Okay, so I will send this. Okay, so we received the image URL. I will copy the file name and the ID. So let me open Google Chrome. Okay, I can copy, again, paste, and it's not copying. Why? Okay, really. Okay, let me do it like this. Okay, and here is the cat image. You can see we checked is a cat and etc. So let me close for now Postman and go here. And here I just logged in into, but actually maybe you, for now you don't have to be logged in, but just for the front end, this route is not accessible, but I will explain this maybe when I start to create some tutorial for the front end, but let's now focus to the back end, okay? So I will upload some photos. So let me open here, I downloaded two photos. One is, you can see dogs, and one are cats. So, okay, let me just grab this image. Okay, so we received the problem. Okay. Okay. So here on the exception we have details and got unexpected Carol details. Okay, so let me check why it's like this. Okay, detail. Okay, okay, let me try again. Okay, okay, so you can see it's a bad request. Okay, why is bad request? Because if you open, if check is safe and contains cat. So for that, when I mentioned I don't like this kind of writing, because for example I want to print is safe, and you know what I mean. So if I already have it like is safe and contains cat equals this expression, okay, and I return this variable here, it will be easier for me just print okay is safe and contains cat. So you can see I can print it really easily. Okay, let me again try to upload that file. Okay, and we will see false. So after that, of course, we can write the checks for the to to write print for the other variable. So for me this is way easier, because here we can have many other things. So for me, for debugging, it's easier. And when I run the debugger also from the VS Studio Code, I can click here and to see what kind of variable we have here, and I can make some changes. So this is just a side note. Okay, so let me now check with the actual cat image. Okay, you can see it's true, and we received the sign it to area when the cat is already visible. So I think this is a really easy way to check whatever image it is with some pre-built machine learning and AI tool, because if I have to train some model and machine learning, yes, it's possible with PyTorch, with TensorFlow, some knowledgeable persons in machine learning and AI, maybe they will prefer to build their own. But just for this simple application, I think this is really, really nice too. And it's actually, let me show one more thing here in the bucket. Okay, so we have the bucket and we see we just uploaded these two files, and you can see the doc is not uploaded, only we have only cats. And here I will show, let me reload. We have the images which contains the file names, and when we have to take the file name in the future videos, when I create the cat will contains its photo ID or image ID. We will see how we name it. So we will take the file name, create the sign it URL, and return it, and the front end will use it. So okay, you can see, I think it's a really, really nice feature. So that is one of the core concepts, by the way, in this project, and maybe it's good to pay attention. The future of this project will be just some logic. The actual cloud computing and cloud managing, it's done on maybe 90 or even on 100%. Okay, so this is for today. Thank you for the attention. Bye.